Hello students, in this video we are going to find how to find a gradient if you are getting 2 points or if they give you an equation and asking you to find the gradient, how to proceed with that. Yes, before diving into the topic, welcome to Maximus. This is completely focused on IGCSE Maths. You just share this with your IGCSE buddies, and also if you have any doubt, please feel free to comment here so which topic we have to focus next. And also smash the subscribe button so that you won't miss any video from this channel. Yes, okay. So how to find gradient if 2 points is given? They'll give you 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. If they give you this 2 point, how we are going to find the gradient of this one? Yes, for that we'll be using this thing, change in y by change in x. Yes, in previous video we mentioned about how to identify gradient if they give you the graph. You just see this question. Find the gradient of a straight line joining A and B, and where A is 1, 3 and B is 2, 6. So in this case, we are going to consider this point as x1, y1, x2, y2. So you can consider any point as x1, y1. I am considering this as x1, y1. I am considering this as x2, y2. So what is gradient formula? Change in y-axis by change in x-axis. That we'll find using this formula. Yes. Now you just see 6 minus, I am first subtracting 6 from this point and this point. 6 minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1. So 6 minus 3 is 3 by 1. So the gradient of this line is 3. Okay. Suppose what will happen if I consider this point as point 2 and this is point 1? Will it change? For example, I am considering this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2. You won't get any change. Yes, you just see here m equal to y2 minus y1. In this case, 3 minus 6 divided by 1 minus 2. I am just taking x2 minus x1. So in this case, what you will get? Minus 3 by minus 1. That is equal to 3. So you can select any point as x1, y1 and you can proceed with this. You will get the same gradient. Next, we have to find, and also they will be asking you to find the gradient if they are giving equations. The equations is given. How you will proceed with that? Let's see with this example. Write down the gradient of these lines y equal to minus 3x plus 5. Yes, and also they will give you equation like this also, 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. If they give this equation of a line and they are asking you to find the gradient, you should use the equation of a line general formula. What is the general formula for equation of the line using gradient means y equal to mx plus c. Yes, this is the general equation of a line. So first you have to arrange this equation in y equal to mx plus c. If you see, compare with this equation, it is already in the same format. Y equal to some coefficient into x plus some constant. So in this, m is the gradient. So what is m value? Minus 3. So the gradient of this line y equal to minus 3x plus 5 is minus 3. Suppose if the equation is like this, 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Here also we should go with y equal to mx plus c. But now you just see here whether it is in that formula form. Now you just see that whether it is in that form. No. So you have to rearrange such that you should have y as a subject. So 4x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. I am going to make y as a subject. So minus 3y equal to, leaving this minus 3y, I am taking everything other side. So it will become minus 4x minus 5. Yes. Now it is y equal to mx plus c. But here instead of y, you are having minus 3y. I want coefficient of y as 1. So y equal to minus 4x minus 5 by 3. After this, y equal to minus 4x by minus 3 minus 5 by minus 3. Yes. Now what is the gradient means? Y equal to mx plus c. So here what is m? Coefficient of x. That is 4 by 3. M is minus 4 by minus 3. That is equal to 4 by 3. So the gradient of this line is this one. Okay. So if they are giving you in this form y equal to mx plus c, no problem. Just copy the coefficient of x and that is the gradient of that line. Suppose if they are giving you equation like this, then you have to rearrange in the form of y equal to mx+c, and from that you will be finding the value of m. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any other topic doubt, please mention in the comment box so that I'll make video based on that. And this channel is completely for IGCSE Maths, so you just share with your friends. Stay tuned with Mathmas.